Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. That was Daryl. I'm spinning around too much, trying to hook up my fancy new battery pack. I'm going to show you guys what I'm working on today. We've had a what we call false spring here in Michigan. It's like 65 degrees outside, which won't last. But while it's here, what I want to do is go ahead and clean the shop up a little bit. I don't know what the deal is with this thing. Anyway, so when I built my building, I had, a ton of steel and stuff left over because they sent the wrong length at one point. And I think they just replaced it. I don't know. I didn't pay for it, but I got a bunch of leftover stuff and it's been frozen to the ground, just like that piece of cardboard there and this axle. So now's my opportunity to pick some of this stuff up and get it out of here. So that's what I've been working on today, since it's really nice. Like I said, it's like 65 degrees outside. Did a little driving around in the Toyota, like you guys saw. I think that my plan is to probably, well, I'm going to clean the shop out while the Toyota's out, but I don't know if I'm going to get to it today, but I'm probably going to bring those trucks and put them between those two poles once I get that stuff cleaned up. Kind of what I'm working on. I need to build this yard up this year. The stuff they brought in for the driveway, I don't know what it was. It was supposed to be road rocks or something, but it's crap. So one of my viewers told me what I want is river wash stone, because what I expected to get was white rocks that were nice, and I expected them to go around here like this, but they didn't. Then I need a little more dirt here and plant grass, and my wife would like to do some gardening up here, so I'm gonna build a fence over there to the front of my Ford. I'd hope to get the transmission out of my Ford today, but it's right there in the mud, which is another reason why I'm going to pull it over here where my tractor and topper are at. Probably not today, but that's the goal. So yeah, I got these tires up for sale. Trying to get rid of some of this crap. So that's pretty much what's going on. I'm going to set up my biofuel station around the corner there, I think. Or maybe right here at the edge. I don't really know. Maybe right where these tires are. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, so I hope you guys enjoy some footage of driving around with the 4Runner. And this stuff will be gone by next week. Some guy's supposed to come pick it up, but you know how that goes. Some guy's supposed to come pick everything up. They never show. But yeah, I'm gonna get the third member out of that Toyota axle, because that's an E-locker diff, and that's gonna go on the trailer. All the shit's gonna go away. Those wood scraps, probably gonna burn in my rocket heater here. So we'll keep working on it, and I hope you guys are enjoying your fake spring if you're in the northern latitudes. I'll bring you guys back at the end and show you what I got done, at least. So hold on a second and I'll bring you right back. All right, so we're back. There's a little street urchin running around. I don't know where he came from.
What are you doing?
Got rid of all the steel. Somebody came and picked that up. That was pretty nice. Didn't have to do much. Got 50 bucks. Some of you may be saying that's worth a lot more than that, but I don't care. It's worth nothing to me, taking up half my yard. So yeah, I'm gonna get my drops up on the trailer. I took the E-locker third member out of that, so that can get out of here. Everything that was frozen into the ground's out now, so including my tow strap, my heater for my biodiesel. So yeah, it's gonna go back to being wintertime pretty shortly, but at least I got somewhere. And the slowest kid alive's running back and forth through the video. So anyway, I had fun driving around today. If you guys are interested in this biodiesel stuff, let me know, and I'll think about getting some videos up for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer. But not little Jose, because he'll be in that stack of tires trapped. See ya.